welcome to our Jayako tutorial YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to delete storage from Google Drive. That is, if your Google Drive storage is full, you can easily delete it within few minutes. It won't take you too much time to delete. So to know how to free up space in Google Drive, follow this tutorial carefully. Is your Google Drive always on the verge of being full? Learn how to track down and delete files shared with you, large videos, PDF, and stuff you no longer need. This is the focus of this tutorial. Or have you gotten a warning that your Google Drive storage is almost full? If so, it's time to identify files that take up a lot of room. Decide which ones you can delete to free up space, and maybe block people from sharing files with you in future. Because when people are sharing files with you, it can easily increase your storage. Because when someone shares file with you, the file will be stored on your Google Drive also. So the process for freeing up space in Google Drive is basically the same whether you have a personal or organization Google account. Before you delete files from your Google Drive, you have to examine, you have to check the files you want to delete. So that you can only delete files from Google Drive. So that you can only delete files which you no longer need, because once you delete file from Google storage, the files is going to be deleted permanently. Now, are you looking for method to delete storage from your Google Drive? Now, to do so, you have to log into your Google Drive account by typing google.com/drive.com, by typing google.com/drive. Now you can see the page will load. This page will load. Now you have to click on go to Drive. Now enter your email address and password to log into the Google Drive. As I said earlier, your Google Drive controls both all the storage on your Google account, both your email messages and all the files. All of them are stored on Google Drive. Now you can see this is all the files on this Google Drive account. You can see it is almost full. So let me go to the Gmail so you can understand clearly what I'm saying. So this is the Gmail address. Now to delete files on this, you can see some files. This is, if I want to delete any file, I have to check the files I do not need again, to avoid deleting some important files. No, this is trash. There is nothing in the trash. Recent. These are recent files uploaded, shared with me. There is no file shared with me with anybody. And now let me log into the Gmail account so that you can understand clearly what I'm saying. You can see this is my Gmail account. You can see a message I received from Google. You can see the headline: attention, you are out of storage, increase your storage today. Now when I open the email, you can see your storage is full. You can see it here. This is a warning from Google that my storage is full. You can see the message they sent: you have used all of your storage. You have used all of your storage that's available in your Google account. You can no longer. These are things I can no longer do with this Google account. Send or receive emails on your Gmail account. Upload new files to Google Drive. Edit or create new files using Google Docs, sheets, slides, drawings, forms, and Jamboard. Backup new photos and videos to Google Photos. You can see here, I can no longer use this email to do anything, even to send email or receive or upload new files like photo, videos, or share any file with anybody. It can no longer work. So here they're asking me to increase the storage, that is, you have paying them to get more storage, or I can delete files to free up space. So I can choose any option. So here you have to choose any option. If you want to increase your storage, that you have to pay to increase storage, you click on here, get more storage. You can see it. Choose the Google One plan that's right for you. You can now choose any plan that's suitable for you. This one is free. It's for everyone. Once this one is full, that is 15 gig, you have to pay to increase. You can see here this one now. This is the price per month. That is, it is not up to $1 monthly, or you can pay annually if you wish to pay annually, or you can pay monthly. It is left for you to decide. You can see the prices. So you have to choose the one that is suitable to your budget. This one is around $19 per year. So you have to choose the one that you prefer to use. And here, let us focus on the main tutorial. That is how to delete files from Google storage. That is how to delete storage from Google. To delete files, click here. You can see it. Enjoy more space. You have to scroll down. see. Now you can see it here. Large items. These are large items. You can free up to 10 gig. You can see it. Emails with large attachments. There is no much attachment here. Unity here is still 3.2 MB. Here are large files. Here large photo. There is no photo. You can see here the view. So to delete large files on Google Drive, here are the files. So you have to choose the files you want to delete. If you want to delete all, you can delete all. So here I have to, these files I am no longer in need of them. So I have to tick the files. You have to tick the files you want to delete. You can see here, you tick this one, tick this one. You can see, keep in mind that files removed from here cannot be recovered from trash. Any files deleted from here is gone completely. You can't recover it again. So before you delete file from here, make sure that you no longer need those files. Or if these are files you need, you can first of all download them on your PC and zip them. You know, when you zip a file, it will be compressed, so that the storage will be reduced. When you compress a file, it will mean that if the file is like 1 gig, when you compress it to zip, the file going to be like 500 megabytes or 600 or 700. That is the benefit of compressing files or turning files into zip. Now let me delete these files. I'm ticking the files I want to delete. You can see it. I'm ticking the files. These are the files I'm no longer need. So I'm ticking them for delete. I want to remove them so that the storage, I can have more free storage in Google Drive. So you can see I'm deleting them and ticking them one by one. These are the recent files. Let me start by deleting the old ones. You can see I have marked files I want to delete. Now let me delete them. Have to tick here. You can see this button, that is the delete icon. This action is permanent. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. You can see I have ticked that 5 items for deletion. I understand that once I delete these files, they cannot be recovered from the trash. I have to tick this. Then delete permanently delete. Now the files you can see now, I have freed a large space. The files are gone. As you can see it, I have deleted all the files. I wanted the file deleted. Now the files have been deleted. As you can see now, the only remaining files here is 99.8 MB. The total files in this Google account now is only this 403 MB. So now that I have freed this, I can now start using it. Google account again to upload files. You can see the storage here has reduced. You can see it. So I can see it here. This is Google Drive account. I have almost deleted all the files. So this is how to delete files. You can delete it from here, tick here. I hope everything is clear. Now when you delete file from here, when you delete this file from here, it will move to trash. This is from Google Drive account, not from the other method I used. You can see it on trash. I can restore these files back. See restore. This one, tick restore. When you tick here, it will be deleted forever. I see it restore. When you check it again, I see the files back. So I hope you understand that. I hope you understand this method of. I hope everything is clear on how you can easily delete files from Google account. That is how to freeze or how to delete storage from Google account. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment on the link. Feel free to comment. Feel free to ask your questions on the below, or you can contact me and I will assist you. But do not forget to first of all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is Ojiakwe Tutorial YouTube channel, so do not forget to subscribe so that you will be easily notified whenever I share an interesting video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.